Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Midjourney AI software. In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about Midjourney, including how to use it, its latest features, and how it can help you generate amazing art and design. Whether you're an artist, designer, or entrepreneur, you'll discover how Midjourney AI software can help you create stunning visuals and drive your business forward. Midjourney is an AI-powered design software that helps users create unique and complex designs quickly and easily. It uses advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to generate designs and artwork based on user inputs and prompts. Midjourney is primarily used for creating generative art, but it can also be used to design a wide range of products, such as t-shirts, stickers, and prints. The software is user-friendly and requires no prior design experience, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Midjourney is available in both desktop and web-based versions. Using Midjourney is relatively simple and straightforward. Here's a basic guide on how to use the software. First, download and install Midjourney on your device, or access the web-based version of the software through your browser. Once you have Midjourney open, start by selecting the type of design you want to create. Midjourney offers a range of design categories, such as geometric shapes, organic shapes, and abstract designs. After selecting your design category, you can start customizing your design by adjusting various parameters, such as color, size, and shape. Midjourney offers a range of customization options for each design category, allowing you to create a virtually limitless number of designs. You can also use Midjourney's prompt feature to generate unique designs based on specific prompts or keywords. Simply enter a prompt or keyword, and Midjourney will generate a design based on that input. Once you've finished customizing your design, you can export it in a range of formats, such as PNG or SVG, depending on your needs. You can then use your design for various purposes, such as creating t-shirt designs, stickers, or prints. Midjourney offers integrations with various print-on-demand services, making it easy to turn your designs into physical products. Overall, Midjourney is designed to be user-friendly and accessible to anyone, regardless of their design experience. With a bit of practice and experimentation, you can create unique and complex designs quickly and easily using Midjourney. A Midjourney AI tutorial would typically cover the basic features and functionality of Midjourney, as well as provide an overview of how the software uses artificial intelligence to generate designs and artwork. Here's an example tutorial on how to use Midjourney's AI capabilities. Start by opening Midjourney and selecting the type of design you want to create. Midjourney offers a range of design categories, such as geometric shapes, organic shapes, and abstract designs. Once you've selected your design category, you can start customizing your design by adjusting various parameters, such as color, size, and shape. You can also use the AI button to generate unique designs based on Midjourney's artificial intelligence algorithms. The AI feature uses machine learning techniques to analyze your design parameters and generate unique designs based on that input. You can adjust the level of randomness and complexity of the AI-generated designs to suit your preferences. You can also use Midjourney's prompts feature to generate designs based on specific prompts or keywords. Simply enter a prompt or keyword, and Midjourney will generate a design based on that input. Once you've finished customizing your design, you can export it in a range of formats, such as PNG or SVG, depending on your needs. You can then use your design for various purposes, such as creating t-shirt designs, stickers, or prints. Midjourney offers integrations with various print-on-demand services, making it easy to turn your designs into physical products. By using Midjourney's AI capabilities, you can create unique and complex designs quickly and easily. The AI feature can help you generate new and interesting designs that you might not have thought of otherwise, and can be particularly useful for creating generative art. With a bit of practice and experimentation, you can create stunning and original designs using Midjourney's AI capabilities. Midjourney Prompts is a feature that allows users to generate designs based on specific prompts or keywords. Here's how to use Midjourney Prompts. Open Midjourney and select the type of design you want to create. Click on the Prompts button, which is located next to the AI button. Enter a prompt or keyword in the prompt box. This could be anything from a word, phrase, or even an image. Click on the Generate button, and Midjourney will generate a design based on the input you provided. You can continue to enter different prompts and keywords to generate new designs. Midjourney Prompts is a powerful feature that can help you generate unique and interesting designs quickly and easily. By using prompts, you can explore new creative directions and generate designs that you might not have thought of otherwise. Additionally, prompts can be particularly useful for generating generative art, where the design is created through a process of randomness and iteration. With a bit of practice and experimentation, you can create stunning and original designs using Midjourney prompts. If you're new to Midjourney or looking to improve your design skills, here are some Midjourney tips and tricks to help you get started. Use the AI feature. Midjourney's AI feature can help you generate unique and complex designs quickly and easily. Experiment with the level of randomness and complexity to find a design that suits your needs. Customize your designs. While the AI feature can be useful, don't be afraid to customize your designs by adjusting parameters such as color, size, and shape. This will help you create designs that are truly unique. Use prompts. The prompts feature can be a great way to generate new and interesting designs. Try using different prompts and keywords to explore new creative directions. Combine designs. Don't be afraid to mix and match different designs to create something truly unique. You can use the Combine feature to merge different designs together. Experiment with printing. Midjourney offers integrations with various print-on-demand services, making it easy to turn your designs into physical products. Experiment with different printing techniques and products to see what works best for your designs. Take advantage of tutorials. Midjourney offers a range of tutorials and resources to help you get started. Take the time to explore these resources and learn new techniques to improve your design skills. Join the community. Midjourney has a vibrant community of designers and creatives. Joining this community can be a great way to connect with others, get feedback on your designs, and learn new skills. By following these Midjourney tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to creating stunning and original designs. Remember to experiment, be creative, and most importantly, have fun. Midjourney offers integrations with various print-on-demand services, making it easy to turn your designs into physical products, including t-shirts. Here's how to design t-shirts with Midjourney and print them using a print-on-demand service. Open Midjourney and create a design that you want to print on a t-shirt. You can use the AI feature or create a design from scratch. Once you're happy with your design, export it in a format that is compatible with your chosen print-on-demand service. Common formats include PNG, SVG, and PDF. Upload your design to the print-on-demand service's website and choose the type of t-shirt you want to print on. Most print-on-demand services offer a range of t-shirt styles and colors. Configure your design on the t-shirt using the print-on-demand service's online design tool. You can adjust the placement, size, and color of your design to ensure it looks great on the t-shirt. Once you're happy with your design, place your order and wait for the t-shirt to be printed and shipped to you or directly to your customers. Designing t-shirts with Midjourney and printing them using a print-on-demand service is a great way to turn your designs into physical products without the need for expensive equipment or inventory. Additionally, print-on-demand services handle all the shipping and fulfillment, leaving you free to focus on creating great designs. Midjourney's AI feature makes it a powerful tool for creating generative art. Generative art is a form of art that is created using algorithms and computer programs. Here's how to create generative art with Midjourney. Open Midjourney and select the AI feature. Choose the level of randomness and complexity you want your design to have. You can adjust these settings to create a design that fits your vision. Experiment with different parameters such as color, shape, and size to further customize your design. Use the Export feature to save your design in a format that is compatible with your preferred image editor or viewer. Open your image editor or viewer and add additional effects or modifications to your design. This step is optional but can help you further customize your design and make it truly unique. Save your final design and share it with others or print it out to display it as physical art. Generative art is a growing trend in the art world, and Midjourney offers a powerful tool for creating unique and complex designs quickly and easily. By experimenting with different parameters and using the AI feature, you can create generative art that is truly one of a kind. Midjourney offers several ways to make money, including selling your designs. If you have a talent for design, you can use Midjourney to create unique and beautiful designs that you can sell on print-on-demand marketplaces such as Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. These marketplaces allow you to upload your designs and sell them on a variety of products such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. By creating high-quality designs that resonate with your audience, you can earn a significant income from your work. Offering design services, Midjourney can help you develop your design skills, which you can then use to offer design services to others. Many businesses and individuals are looking for unique designs for their websites, logos, and marketing materials. By using Midjourney to create these designs, you can offer your services and earn money as a freelance designer. Teaching others. If you have expertise in using Midjourney or design in general, you can create tutorials, courses, or webinars that teach others how to use Midjourney or design in general. These can be sold online through platforms such as Udemy or Skillshare, and you can earn money from each sale. Affiliate marketing. If you have a website or social media presence with a large following, you can earn money through affiliate marketing. By promoting Midjourney to your followers and providing a unique affiliate link, you can earn a commission on each sale that comes through your link. Overall, Midjourney offers many opportunities to make money for those who have design skills or an interest in learning. By leveraging the AI technology and design features, you can create high-quality designs that can be sold on various platforms, offer design services, teach others, or earn through affiliate marketing. Midjourney V5 is the latest version of the software, and it offers several improvements and new features compared to V4. Here are some of the key differences between Midjourney V4 and V5. AI technology. Midjourney V5 features an improved AI system that can generate more complex and sophisticated designs compared to V4. The new AI system also allows for greater customization and control over the design process. User interface. Midjourney V5 has a redesigned user interface that is more intuitive and user-friendly compared to V4. The new interface includes new tools and options that make it easier to create and edit designs. Compatibility. Midjourney V5 is compatible with the wider range of image formats and software applications compared to V4. This makes it easier to export and use designs created in Midjourney with other software programs. Performance. Midjourney V5 is faster and more stable compared to V4. This means that designs can be created and edited more quickly, and the software is less likely to crash or experience errors. Overall, Midjourney V5 offers significant improvements and new features compared to V4. The improved AI technology, user interface, compatibility, and performance make Midjourney V5 a powerful tool for creating high-quality designs quickly and easily. Midjourney is a generative art and design tool that uses AI technology to create unique and customizable designs. The software offers a range of features and tools, including prompts, templates, and design suggestions, to help users create their own designs quickly and easily. Midjourney is compatible with a variety of image formats and software applications, and it can be used for a range of applications, including print-on-demand and t-shirt design. The latest version of the software, Midjourney V5, offers significant improvements and new features compared to previous versions, including an improved AI system, a redesigned user interface, greater compatibility, and improved performance. With its intuitive interface and powerful AI technology, Midjourney is a versatile tool for artists and designers of all levels who want to create unique and high-quality designs. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Midjourney AI software. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on using Midjourney AI software. Happy designing!